Hey everybody, I'm back at Oak Mountain State Park today. I thought it'd be a great day to go back to Peavine Falls and check it out. It's been raining and so maybe the water's still rolling pretty good. So I'm doing some practice runs today. I'm carrying a heavy pack, which I don't usually do, and I haven't before, but I can't just let it sit in the closet. I've got to try it out with some weight in it if I'm going to keep doing this hiking thing. So hopefully get some great pictures today. The park is packed today with a lot of people, a lot of bike riders. Totally recommend Oak Mountain State Park. I'm very impressed with everything, the campground, the scenery, and this is just the dead ugly winter fall. You know, there's no leaves or anything, so definitely a lot warmer than the last time I was on this trail. So just gonna take a walk in the woods today, see if I can get some good pictures. So I figured out why everybody likes to hike at sunrise in the morning. It's because it's probably only 60 degrees or 65. Man, it feels like 80, 90, 100. I'm dying. But I'd probably be at home doing something I really don't want to do. So that was Peavine Falls. Looks like I'm running out of daylight, so I better be heading back. Great day for a walk in the woods.